Ayo Lipper Army. Yo, welcome back, guys. Yo, ladies, gents, you guys are the best, man. Well, today, I'm happy to tell you guys, I'm back at Levittown Lake. Man, I know you guys know about Levittown Lake, man, because you know what they got in Levittown Lake? TroutOO's. TroutOO's. Yo, Lipper Army, tell me with me. Hopefully they, put a couple brown dogs in, brown trout. I call them brown dogs, but if anybody didn't know. And right now, there's no trout here. Well, there might be some scattered around, but if I got my ducks in a row and a duck, yo, the truck should be coming down today. And we're going to be ripping some sexy lips. I'm telling you right now, Lipper Army, yo, man, and not many people know. So we're going to see if we can get it in, Lipper Army, because, for real, we always get it in, because you're the best. All right, Lipper Army, stay tuned. The water temp, Lipper Army, is like 65 degrees. So truck should have no problem dumping in the fish. 6 degrees is perfect for rainbow trout. A couple things I'm going to be trying, Lipper Army, is, of course, we got the Bitsy squad. Always Strike King Bitsy Minnow right here. Oh, me and her, we get it in. Probably going to try the green one first. And, of course, I love my Sexy Shad, man, my sexy baby right there. That's going to be our first ups. And then also, I was talking about earlier, we got the crayfish. I'll probably do the darker crayfish here. That's why I call them the cray-crays. And man, these things, you can feel vibrations underneath your toenails like no other, man. These puppies got some kickers on them. And then, if this doesn't work out, we always got a couple jigs we could try. A couple little jiggos. And then, if we flip to the backside, to the booty, we got a good old brown trout side right here, brown dogs. And we'll try it up with some medals. And I'll probably try, a good old, whatever you call the old golden spinner, Panther Mountain. And we'll see if we get it in, Lipper Army. Whoa, Lipper Army, I think I hear the truck coming. Yo, the truck is coming, Lipper Army. Man. It was just a garbage man. Yo, man, garbage men, though, they put in that work, man. Those, salute. But, wasn't trout truck, so, let's continue. We got Mr. Bobber over there moving like, like he's a shark. So, we're going to give a little rip real quick. I don't know if there's something on it or, man, that minnow got some strong will. If he got some strong will, we're going to let him go. And, let's see if, anything's on there. I'm going to pull real quick. Let's see. Oh, we do got some liver. Oh, we do got some liver. We got something. Oh, we got a little bass, though. There's a little bass, though. But, yeah. I knew that minnow couldn't be swimming like that, so. We got the, game warden checking the temperature right now, Lipper Army. If you guys don't know, before they stock the trout, they always check the temperature. So that's what he's doing. He's checking the temperature, and it might be good, might not be, but we'll see, Lipper Army. Oh, another John! Look at him! Look at him! That means trout are on its way. As when you see those guys throw a little thing in the water, you know what I'm saying? They're coming, all right. They coming. Stay tuned. We got a few more people, Lipper Army. Not many, but spots are filling up. Man, people are ready to rip these lips. Here they are, Lipper Army. Here they are. Truck has arrived, Lipper Army. Here they coming down, Lipper Army. Roll down. Roll down. You sure? Yep.
There's a lot of trust right here.
Oh yeah.
Here we go, down the front.
You're not doing it the right way.
Yeah, now they're gonna hook the hose up, Lipper Army, and then they're gonna pump them. Ooh, baby! Look at that Lipper Army. Ooh. Looking like some lips gonna get ripped today. Oh, look at that! Woo!
Let out of jail.
Man, there we go.
We're going crazy here.
All right. Then they're gonna go on to the next compartment section of the truck. There's probably about 5 of them. Now they're using the next section here of the truck, hooking it up. You got like 4 or 5 compartments on the truck, Lipper Army. Changing. Ooh, baby, look at that! Ooh, look at that tail wag! Look at that tail wag! Pretty girls. There they go, Lipper Army. It's fish on, Lipper Army. Fish on. There we go. Ooh! There we go. Ooh! There we go. We got one. There we go. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's gone. Gone. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get him in another week. Give him a week, I'll get him, man. That'll be payback. There we go. Oh, right here. Woo, baby. Now they finally worked their way down here. Now we're going to hit them, Lipper Army. Good looking, Bitsy. There he is, Lipper Army. Look at that guy. Oopsie. Oh, no. I almost lost him again. I'm going to put him on the stringer now.
Now he got to get cut off.
Oh, yeah, he gone. He got water on my glasses and all, man. He's just chilling on your head, dog. Yeah.
Let's debate.
Ah, yeah. Woo. There we go. We got one. Yeah, we got one. Woo. Oh, look at that. He's like a shark coming into the bank. Oh, baby. Yeah, bluegill, bluegill. If you want a little Miss Bitsy, I got you. I got a little Bitsy for you. Itsy Bitsy. Bitsy baby. I love my Bitsy. Bits me, does me well. Bitsy baby. There we go. Bitsy baby. Oh, he's out. It's time to chum some marshies. Like the Michelin man with the tires and all. Woo! Oh. Speaking of which, I missed them, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, Bitsy baby. Got a little one, but still John though. John. Ooh. Baby, but still a Trouto, right? There he is. Mousetail man. You got one, that's good. Let's see, it seems a lot sunnier over here, doesn't it? I'll go right next to you. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. All right, we'll go right on top of you. Yeah, let's see who gets this sucker. I guess. Oh, there we go. There we go. See, no. I changed the drag looser because it seems like they're spitting it out, you know. They're yeah, you know, I like to rip them. He's not a bad one, but I already got 2 on a stringer, so. Oh, that's a nice looking one now. Look at them eyeballs. Ooh. Alright, trying to release this sucker. Oh, there it goes. He's out. No crawl, okay.
I got Q, I got T, I got always, I got lately didn't bite no more. Maybe they hiding.
Oh, we got one on the trout now. Ooh, trout slayer. Ooh, baby. Ooh, Lipper Army. Hit the cray. Hit the cray. That's a little cray, baby. Ooh, look at them legs on it. Look at them legs. I'm going to release him. He's out.
And I tried everything that I had on me. And then finally I asked him, what do you use it? He had bread balls.
Yeah, bread.
Yeah.
I was there that year. Yeah.
Yeah, he was banging the hell out of it. And I'm frustrated saying, what the hell are you doing?
There we go, Lipper Army. There we go. Ooh, baby.
What do you got on?
A little trout magnet. Oh, baby. There he is, Lipper Army. All right, get him in the water. No, he's not. There he goes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm jigging now. Oh man, yo, dog. Man, he dirtied up everything.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
You better get hold of your catch.
He got my camera on. Ooh, you a dirty sucker. Alright, Lipper Army, yo, thank you guys so much again for watching. This is going to be it for the video, and stay tuned. There's going to be more trout videos very soon to come, Lipper Army, and yo, guess what? You guys are the best.